Imagine your website suddenly gets 1 million visitors today. Many of those users are requesting exactly the same information: product pages, user profiles, trending posts, and other frequently accessed data. Without Redis, every request would go directly to the database. The database would keep running the same queries again and again, creating unnecessary work and eventually slowing down the entire application. This is the problem Redis was designed to solve. Redis is an in-memory data store that keeps data in RAM instead of repeatedly fetching it from a database. Here's how it works. The first time a user requests some data, the application retrieves it from the database and stores a copy in Redis. When the next user requests the same data, the application can get it directly from Redis instead of querying the database again. Because RAM is significantly faster than traditional storage, Redis can return data almost instantly while reducing load on the database. This is why Redis is commonly used as a caching layer between applications and databases. But Redis is much more than just a cache. One of the most common use cases is session storage. When you log into a website, information about your session can be stored in Redis, so the application can quickly verify who you are without constantly checking the database. Redis is also widely used for API rate limiting. For example, if an API allows only 100 requests per minute, Redis can efficiently track those requests and block excessive traffic. Another popular use case is gaming leaderboards. Imagine millions of players competing in a game. Redis can keep rankings updated in real time and instantly show the top players. It is also commonly used for counters, such as likes, views, followers, and page visits. Every time someone clicks a like button or watches a video, Redis can quickly update those numbers without putting extra pressure on the database. Redis even powers many real-time features, such as notifications, chat systems, and live activity feeds. What makes Redis especially powerful is that it understands different types of data. Instead of storing everything as plain text, Redis can store collections of data in ways that match how applications actually use them. For example, a shopping cart can be stored as a list of products. A user profile can be stored as a collection of attributes like name, email, and address. A leaderboard can be stored in a structure that automatically keeps players sorted by score. This makes many operations simpler and faster. Now you might be wondering, if Redis stores data in memory, what happens when the server restarts? Redis can also save its data to disk. That means applications can recover their data after restarts instead of rebuilding everything from scratch. So what is Redis? At its core, Redis is a tool that helps applications become faster by reducing database load and serving data quickly. Whether it's caching product pages, storing login sessions, tracking likes, powering leaderboards, or supporting real-time features, Redis has become one of the most widely used technologies in modern backend systems. And that's why you'll find Redis behind many of the applications you use every day.